Well, let's face it, air fryers have totally changed how we do dinner. And snacks. Guilty. With so many brands out there shouting for your attention, it can be tough to choose. But two names always seem to rise to the top: Gourmia and Ninja. You might be standing in the kitchen aisle or scrolling late at night wondering which one of these is about to become my new best foodie friend. So, let's break it down for you, point by point, in good old honest detail with a cozy conversational vibe.
Design and capacity. Let's start with looks and size because, first impressions matter, right? Gourmia, tends to cater to folks with cozier kitchens or just a little less counter space to spare. Their air fryers look sleek, modern, and feel kind of compact, even if you go up to those 7 or 8 quart models. Ninja, though, wow, sometimes you might need to clear your whole counter. Their air fryers, especially those popular dual basket models, mean serious business for families or anyone prepping meals for a crowd. The corners are often a bit boxier, the vibe's more, I'm the main event tonight. So honestly, if you're looking for something that's tidy and easy to move, Gourmia could be your match. If you want big, bold, and ready for family feasts, Ninja's gonna catch your eye. Performance and cooking results. Now, this is where the sparks really start to fly. Both Gourmia and Ninja churn out crispy, golden results that'll make your mouth water. But there are some quirks. Gourmia's models do a solid job with everything, from fries to chicken wings. Sure, you might have to watch your timing the first couple of tries because, they can run a little hot. But once you've got your groove, the results are yum. Ninja, on the other hand, often gets top marks from test kitchens. Those duals on models especially, we're talking super even crispiness, a wider temperature range, and just that extra wow factor. So honestly, if you're looking for something that's tidy and easy to move, Gourmia could be your match. If you want big, bold, and ready for family feasts, Ninja's gonna catch your eye.
Ease of use and features. Oh boy, who doesn't love a gadget that makes your life simpler, not harder? Gourmia scores major points for keeping things user-friendly. Their digital displays and touch controls are a breeze, and you don't need a PhD to use them. Some models throw in nice extras like a 2-tiered rack or reminders to shake your fries so you don't end up with a sad, soggy pile at the bottom. There's something comforting about that, right? But, Ninja likes to delight the tech lovers too. Programmable settings? Check. Customizable presets? Yep. The biggest party trick has to be the dual zone ability. Imagine roasting chicken on one side, crisping fries on the other, both at totally different times and temps. Talk about dinner heroics. For anyone who likes a little bit of technology with their taters, Ninja could feel like hitting the jackpot. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning, nobody's favorite, but also kind of a deal breaker, Gourmia mostly keeps it easy, keeping things dishwasher safe where it counts, the baskets, the trays. Occasionally, you'll curse at a crumb hiding in a funky tray corner, but it's nothing a quick rinse won't solve. Ninja is also on the team dishwasher, but their baskets do get a little larger, so if your dishwasher's already packed from that big family meal, you might have to tackle the chore by hand. The upside is their construction means they don't get gunky as easily, and users really praise them for staying clean with minimal effort.
Durability and build quality. So let's talk about the long game. When you're spending real money, you want your kitchen gadgets to last, right? Gourmia's units are sturdy, especially for their price. But full honesty here, sometimes the bottom tray can warp after heavy use or a few too many high-temp sessions. That isn't to say they're flimsy, they just might show their age a little sooner than you'd like if you go really hard. Ninja, by contrast, feels weighty and robust the second you unpack it. The build just screams quality. And, the price tag kind of gives it away. People talk about using their Ninjas for years, through every holiday and get-together, and they just keep going strong. Durability? Ninja edges out Gourmia, but it comes at a cost. Price and value. All right, so money talks. Gourmia is, really budget-friendly for all that it offers. If you want to try air frying without a huge commitment, Gourmia is sort of a no-brainer. You get a lot of options, plenty of presets, and it won't empty your wallet. But Ninja? Yep, she's pricier. Here's the thing though. All those bells and whistles, the bigger basket, the build that lasts, they do make the price feel justified. For some folks, that extra spend is about peace of mind and knowing you're set for whatever the dinner hour throws your way.
Best 4. Let's wrap up in plain speak, friend-to-friend style. Gourmia is perfect for you if you've got a small kitchen, don't want to spend a fortune, or love gadgets that just work without too much thought. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 or are just starting out with air fryers, you can't really go wrong. But if you're living that big family or regular hosting life, or just want mega power and versatility, Ninja is where it's at. Sure, you'll pay more, but you'll get an appliance that can pretty much do anything short of, well, washing the dishes after. So which is better? So you see, choosing between Gourmia and Ninja, it's less about which one is best in some vacuum and more about what fits your life. If you want dependable, easy, and budget-friendly, Gourmia is your wingman. But if you crave all the features, the space, and the durability to match, Ninja's waiting to steal the show. Either way, you're about to make fries magical and totally change your snack game. Happy air frying!